If you're in the tech industry, or you always find yourself behind a phone screen or a computer screen, or you just may be like me and you wear prescription glasses, or even if you just like looking studious and complementing your outfits with some fashionable eyewear, then you just may want to keep on watching this video. Welcome back to my channel, and if it's your very first time seeing my face and knowing of my existence, now would be an excellent time to subscribe. Now, from the title of today's video, you can already tell what we're about to get into. Zeelool was kind enough to gift me some of their glasses, and I'm so excited to try it with you guys. So before we get into the video, you know we gotta do a little unboxing, and I must say shipping was super fast. It came in a week or less, so I'm definitely more intrigued about the brand knowing that my package is gonna reach like yesterday. So once your glasses arrive, it will come in this cute little blue box with the logo on the front, and we have the websites at the side, www.zeelool.com. So we just pull that little tag at the side and we are all ready to see what's inside the package. So they allowed me to pick 2 frames and the others are a surprise. So both you and I are gonna see what they sent my way for the very first time. Upon opening the box, it comes with some free goodies. The first one is this premium microfiber cloth to ensure that your glasses are squeaky clean at all times. It comes with the Zeelool logo right here and their tagline, which is buy glasses at Zeelool, and we have quite a good number of them on hand. The next free gift is a PD ruler. This is used to measure your pupillary distance, so this is helpful for the next time you order from Zeelool. You'll be able to know your pupillary distance for your next pair of glasses. Last but not least, for the free goodies, they got us covered with a $7 coupon right here, and we just scratch it and we're able to have this coupon on orders over $29. So thanks Zeelool for saving me some extra coin. Now before we get into the first pair, we gotta get into the fact that these glasses come in microfiber pouches. It says by Zeelool on one side and we have the Zeelool logo on the front. It's a drawstring pouch, and the glasses come with this protective tape on the front of the glasses, and we are on to our very first pair, which is Malcolm. It's this orange gorgeous frame. This is medium size. I am so in love with how this fits my face. It's super comfortable on the nose. You know, sometimes you wear glasses and you just don't have that security on the nose, so it feels big and it's always falling down, but it's super comfortable. I love the pattern. It's like a little tie-dye effect with the orange and yellow colors, and it's just so beautiful. Malcolm is on sale for only $15, and you can use my code JenJ to get you an extra 10% off your order. I love the square frames, and don't worry if this color is not your style. They have a variety of colors. They even have a clear frame, a black frame, a purple, pink, and yellow frame. They have a wide variety of different colors, and I will also add them on the screen to show you guys that you have options on options on options with Zeelool. But I want you guys to rate each and every pair from 1 to 10 in the comments, because baby, they sent me this and this pair is not one of the ones that I chose, and I'm so in love. Elegant, chic, and just gorgeous. Now these next frames are to die for. Oh, it's giving unique, fashionable, and everything that it needs to give, it's giving. But before we get into the details of these glasses, I want to let you guys know a little bit about Zeelool and even more about these frames. So Zeelool's eyewear features blue light blocking glasses. If you don't know what blue light is, this is the type of light that is reflected from your computer screens and your phone screens, and you want to protect your eye from those harmful rays of light as much as you possibly can. So these glasses are blue light protective. If you are like me and you wear prescription glasses, you can also enter your prescription on the website and you get these fashionable frames and you're still able to see for sure. And they also do non-RX glasses as well. There's always an ongoing promotion on their website, like right now for the month of March there's a St. Patrick Day sale where you can get glasses as low as $3. Listen, run, don't walk, because I'm telling you guys, the quality is like you're paying $100 and something for some glasses. Like, these frames are not flimsy, they're sturdy, they're comfortable, they're not sliding off your face. Like, there's good grip where the nose is concerned. You guys see that? And there's even enough space between the glasses and your face to allow you to wear some lashes, babe. So if you're interested in these lashes, they'll also be linked in the description box below. Let's get into these frames now. These frames are in the style Diana. They're a medium-sized frame, and as you can see, there's blue, black, a little bit of white mixed in there, and we have some silver glitter details on the side. And right here on the front, we have a little design. As you can see, it just gives that extra oomph to the glasses. I'm telling you, when you wear these, you're definitely guaranteed to have somebody compliment you. Now, Diana comes in a variety of different colors. I'm looking on the website. There's black, there's leopard print, there's clear. It retails for $30.95. However, there is a sale, so this is super affordable for the quality, and you guys can see this is gonna add that extra pop to a completely plain outfit. And it's also cute for everyday wear. If you know you're someone who wears black on a regular, or you like wearing neutral colors, this is definitely a must-have. Matter of fact, I'm gonna change my top because I feel like this top isn't showing you guys the beauty of the variety of colors in this frame. So I'm gonna be right back. I'm back, so let me know how we're feeling now that we have a darker top on. We have a dark situation going to just give the glasses its own moment and complement it at the same time. So let me know how much you rate Diana on a scale of 1 to 10. We got the spicy pop sophistication in the front, and we got this calm, cool collective on the side. Okay, Zeelool hasn't been letting me down so far. Like, I'm loving the frames, and I'm sure you guys will love them too. And if you don't like this color, don't forget they have a variety of different colors for you to choose from. So they sent me 6 frames, and as I said in the intro, I was only allowed to pick 2. So on the third try of taking the glasses out of the box, I found one that I chose, and this is in the style Felicia. Bye, Felicia. Now, Felicia is made of high quality plastic, and as you can see, it's a semi-rimless frame. We only have the frame on the bottom half of the glasses, and I love this extra stylish addition to the glasses. We have a little rhinestone ornament on the sides of the frame, and I'm just loving the cat eye effect. This frame is perfect for everyday wear. You're going to work, you're going to church, you're going out to dinner, you're going to party with friends, and you just want to be able to see and have that one pair that matches every single outfit. This is stylish and super comfortable and lightweight. It's not heavy. Felicia is on sale for only $15, so y'all better come up here and get you one of these. Felicia comes in a wide variety of colors. My favorite pair other than this one is the leopard framed ones, and it also comes in plain black. We have a kind of rainbow color here with pink, blue, yellow, and we also have a tortoise green color as well. So these glasses are definitely a must-have, and you definitely need to cop your pair, babe. Let me know how you guys feel about this one in the comments down below. Next up, we have another one of my picks. Are you guys ready? I don't think you are, because baby, get into these frames, okay? Not your average everyday pair of frames. So out the box, so gorgeous, makes me feel all types of beautiful, and I had to change my top to give you guys the full experience. These are in the style Gaymond, and don't worry if this pattern is a little too much for you. It also comes in plain black, and it also comes in a little leopard print, and we also have it in a little green, similar pattern to this. This one is on sale for only $15. Did you hear me? $15 for a pair of glasses that gives you this much sophistication. The different tones of browns are just giving everything that they need to give. We have a gold accent in the center here. The sides of the glasses also have the pattern, and we have a thick side, okay? Nothing small, thin, and flimsy, very sturdy, and we have good comfort on the nose of this one as well. This frame is just a very unique shape, and I just love the way it fits my face. We also have 2 rhinestones on the corner of the glasses right here. Like, if they couldn't get even fancier. I love that extra added touch, and this can be worn with a lot of beige, browns, blacks, whites, neutrals, and it's definitely gonna elevate your look if you have a plain outfit as well. This is definitely my style. Sometimes I'm just in a chill fit, but I still want to look like, hey, she got that on, okay? So this is definitely another pair that is highly recommended by me. Now, if you're someone who likes to wear a very neutral eyewear piece, you just love that simple effect for everyday wear, then Zion is the pair for you. And would you believe me if I told you Zion only retails for $15? Yes, $15. I forgot to mention that you also get $5 off your very first order. Now, for my very first impression of Zion, I can tell that she is very durable. Very durable. Like, it's gonna take a lot of faults to even try to get Zion to break. And you can tell Zion is made of premium material, and you can see it's a square shape, medium size frame, and it is super comfortable. So I know it's perfect for everyday wear, just like all of the other glasses in this haul. And there's a variety of colors available on the website if brown is not your color, even though I feel like brown goes with almost every single thing. But we have a frame with a black top, and the bottom rim is a gray gradient, and we have 2 other colors with an ombre effect. We have like a purple, pink, and yellow ombre effects, and then we have another pair with just a blue and pink ombre. And that's what I like most about Zeelool. You're guaranteed to find a pair for you. No matter the color, you are definitely gonna find the one that's right for you. And the frames, they got you covered with the perfect shape for your face, and you just gotta read the description box to get you exactly what you're looking for. And last but certainly not least, we have the style Gooden. I'm feeling her. Gooden retails for $35.95. You can tell that this is also very durable, and I particularly love the fact that even though each frame comes in a different size and shape, they're all super lightweight and comfortable on the face. Now let's get into Gooden. Let me get a little closer. Now, Gooden is not your average everyday shape. This is like a geometric, unique shape that is very distinctive from the others. Like when you go outside to a little business event, or if you go to college or work, everyday look. Like, this is a simple look, but you can tell there's something distinctive about it, and it's just going to add that extra element to your everyday wear. And I love the fact that the leopard print also travels along the side, and the bottom has this clear effect going on, so you very much get the best of both worlds with Gooden, and you're most certainly bound to look unique yet understated with this look. This is definitely gonna be my next everyday pair because I just don't like looking too simple, but I just like that extra pop every now and again. Now, you know the saying, all good things must come to an end. We had a blast unboxing these surprise glasses from Zeelool. Be sure to check out Zeelool on Facebook and Instagram, and be sure to use my code JenJ for 10% off your order. And thanks so much to Zeelool for gifting me these glasses. Like, I cannot express how gorgeous each and every one makes me feel, and how I cannot wait to style my outfits with them. And don't forget to check out Zeelool's official website, and trust me, you got to go on the website. Like, there is a pair for you. There are frames for men, women, kids. There are goggles, there's sunglasses, reading glasses, and as I said, blue lights and prescription glasses and non-prescription glasses as well. And you're definitely bound to find something for you because you can filter out everything by category. You can choose to have metal frames, clear frames, plastic frames. You can even sort it by print and shape and even color. So you definitely have a wide variety to choose from. And for the month of March, be sure to check out the website for their St. Patrick's Day sale that is currently going on. And thanks again to Zeelool for sponsoring today's video, and I'll see you guys in my next upload, babes. Bye. Mwah!